Mm.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Mom.
No, that's my name. What's your name?
Papa.
Effer. Where's Daddy? What's his name?
Augie.
Augie. Can you get up? You stuck?
Yeah.
You're stuck?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
Can you say anything other than yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you need help up?
Mm-hmm.
No? Thanks for smiling, bud. Smile again. Say hi.
Hi.
Say love you.
Papa.
Say trick
Yes.
or treat. You want to get up?
Yeah.
You do? Oh. Are you just lying?
Yeah.
Are you fibbing? Can I tickle you? Can I tickle you? Can I? Are you super tired?
Yeah.
Are you all hopped up on candy and sugar? Yeah? How old are you? Remember I showed you you're 2.
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your name?
Mom.
No, that's my name. What's your name?
Apple.
Effer. Good job. Okay, say puppy.
Puppy.
Baby.
Baby.
Blue. Blue.
You.
What else do you say? Happy. Say A.
E.
B. No alphabet? Okay. O. What about I?
I.
Love. You.
You.
You. Can you say Granny?
Mm.
Granny.
Mm.
Granny.
Mm.
Okay. Do you want to get up off the floor?
Mm.
You don't? You're just going to stand there? Hey, cow. Did you have fun trick-or-treating last night?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you get a lot of candy?
Yeah.
You did, huh? And you ate it all already, didn't you?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. Ow! Owie! I'm going to tickle you. I'm going to tickle you. I'm going to tickle you. Watch your head, watch your head. Can you stand right here next to the door? Can you stand right here? I'm going to show Granny how tall you are. Stand right there, okay? Stand up straight. So you come to the doorknob, don't ya? Yeah, you're a big boy.
Yeah.
You big boy?
Yeah.
Oh, bye. Bye. Uh-oh. We got in the way, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. 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 I'm gonna come get you. I'm coming for you, kiddo. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. What'd you do that for? Are you squealing? Why? Can I tickle you? I'm gonna tickle you. Okay, buddy. You wanna go back down there? You want me to go back down there? Where are you gonna go, Steve? Hello?
I get why Charlie has never been able to acknowledge my accomplishments. He's a self-centered hedonist who can't get behind anyone unless they're drunk and bent over a pool table. That's fair. My own mother. It's so fantastic. You assumed I had to buy advertising to get the article. Oh, did you? Never told you to do that.
No, you can't. No. Move your finger. Move your finger. Ah! Are you doing stuff you're not supposed to be doing?
Yeah.
You are? You're not thinking about getting in those cabinets, are ya? I hope not, because you're not supposed to be there. Do you want me to go on the other side?
Yeah.
Say please. That is please. Please, please, please. Say it again. Say please. Okay.
Attention, Medicare and insurance beneficiaries. To health issues limit your mobility. Is it difficult to get to the bathroom on your own? Do you feel like a bother to others due to your lack of mobility? Have you fallen in the past 12 months?
Where'd you go, bud?
Yes, to any of these questions, you may qualify for a power chair at little to no cost to you.
If you're looking for mobility, call the Scooter Store today. We're an expert in getting you the power chair or scooter you need. I promise no one...
Ah! Trying to sneak up on me, are ya?
Medicare and your private insurance. So don't wait any longer. Call the Scooter Store today. Call for your
March Red Flame cards right now. That's 1-800-203-8822.
And you know what else? No, Alan. What else? I cannot believe that our mother made us carry her from her car just because she had a teeny little blister on her foot. Well, hopefully the next time we have to carry her, she'll be in a handy urn. I'll pay for the urn if you get the cremation. Jay, where's my son?
You tricked me. I thought you were coming around the side.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not going to be here forever. He's not going to be here forever. And I want there to be no...
You're scary, bud. Yeah. Okay, now you gotta get out of the cabinet, see. Get out of there. Hey, can you close it up for me? Is that your vacuum? Bud, where's your vacuum? Is that it right there on the floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh? You want to go in your room and play? No? No, because you can't play in the cabinets. I'm not going over there so you can play. Did you see it snowing today?
Yeah.
You did? Did you get excited? You did? Alright. No.
You're right, that's a crop. But I love you. And we have just like a deeper
We've been learning about alcohol abuse in school, and if you ever need a delivery, you have half the money.
Hey. I thought we had a deal.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, Dad.
That's my boss, I respect.
Okay, buddy, it's time to say goodbye, okay? You say bye? Say bye-bye. Say love you. Say love you, Granny. That's okay, love you. Say please. Okay.